Hi, my name is Lynn, and I'd like to tell you about an amazing new hearing aid I just got from Nano Hearing Aids. It's the CIC Completely in Canal, and it has changed my life. It's tiny, discreet, almost invisible, extremely easy to use, and the sound quality is amazing. I've had 4 other hearing aids, each costing $5,000, and the Nano is better than any of them. And yet, the Nano cost 1/10 of the price. Here, let me show you so you can see for yourself. To turn on the device, just open the battery hatch, insert the battery included in the box, and close the hatch. To adjust the volume, you can use the screwdriver included in the box. Then attach an ear tip that is most comfortable for you. Just slide the ear tip over the groove of the tube. Finally, insert the tube into the ear canal. As soon as you put these things on, you feel the difference immediately. At first, I couldn't believe my ears. I've been missing out on so much sound for years. Usually hearing aids cost $5,000 or more, and I chose not to get one because I couldn't afford it. But then I saw Nano Hearing Aids and decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. They use the same hearing technology as the big expensive brands, but instead of charging $5,000, Nano charges $500 or less. I highly recommend that you check out Nano Hearing Aids CIC model. Click on the link below to get your pair today.